Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage your photo frame images in Google Nest Hub 2nd generation. So to do this you'll need to get the Google Nest Hub set up with a Google Home app. I shown you previously on how to do it. Now let's open it right here, then click on a photo frame. Now you can choose to use a Google Photos. A slideshow of selected memories will be created. Use the art gallery, curated images and artwork, full screen clock. If you click on it, it works kind of like AOD, always on display on your phone. And last is experimental. Here you can activate Google Weather Frog. Probably there'll be more settings in the near future, but in this case let's go for art gallery, and right here you can pick which images will be shown at your screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.